Hello friends, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I trust you are doing great today. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use two WhatsApp accounts on your Windows 11 PC. So to get started, we are going to proceed to the Microsoft Store, and you want to search for WhatsApp. It's important to have your PC connected to the internet to enable you search on the Microsoft Store. And now once you search for WhatsApp, you should see these two WhatsApp. If you click on it, you see that this WhatsApp is by WhatsApp Incorporation, which means that it's safe for your use, as well as the WhatsApp Beta is also by WhatsApp, so you can equally have both WhatsApp installed, and then you can have each of these connected to your personal WhatsApp account and then have this connected to your WhatsApp business account respectively. You just click on install if you don't already have them on your Windows PC. So you just need to wait a bit for the app to be installed on your Windows, and once they are installed, you can just click on open the second one as well. So we now have both WhatsApp opened, waiting to be connected to our WhatsApp accounts. Alright, so what works for me is connecting the normal WhatsApp to my personal WhatsApp account and connecting the WhatsApp Beta to my WhatsApp business account. Alright, so the next thing is to go to WhatsApp on your mobile phone, and then you want to make sure that you're on the chat interface. And then right there, you want to click on the three ellipses on the top right side of the screen, and then you should see a drop down, and from there you want to click on link devices, and you should see the option to link a device. Okay, connect to Wi-Fi to continue or use mobile data. Alright, so it's time to scan the QR code. Just go ahead and click on this WhatsApp, and then we are going to click on get started, and then we are going to use our mobile phone to scan the QR code, and all messages will be synced over to the WhatsApp on PC, and then we are just going to go ahead and replicate the same for WhatsApp Beta. Just click on this, click on get started, and then go to your WhatsApp business as well. Make sure you're on chats, click on link devices, and click on link a device. Scan the code on the screen, and WhatsApp business as well should be synchronized to your Windows PC. You can have them pinned on your toolbar for easy access. I hope you found the video useful. Thank you for watching, and please like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.